Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the colour of cars and vehicles in Photoshop really easy using Photoshop adjustment layers. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and choose a photo. And today I've chosen this photo, which I got from unsplash.com. And again guys, if you want to follow along, the link will be in the description. So firstly, what we want to do is target the color of the paintwork. So in this, for instance, it's red. And then what we're going to do is adapt it so we can change it to any color of our choice. And we can do this simply using just one adjustment layer. And we're going to be using the hue and saturation adjustment layer for this. So firstly, let's go ahead and add that adjustment layer. So we're going to go down to our bottom right-hand corner, guys, click, and then we're going to go ahead and choose hue and saturation. Now, hue and saturation is split into two parts. Firstly, it's how to target that color. And secondly, it's how to change that color. Now, if you just leave it on master, as you can see on here, it will change every single color accordingly, but we don't want to do that. We just want to select the red of the car. So what we can do is actually break this down into a bunch of color bands, and this will allow us to target that particular color. So we're gonna go ahead, click on master, and as you can see, we've got a bunch of drop downs, and obviously the car is red in this particular instance, so we're gonna go ahead and select red. Now, once you select red, if we go down to the bottom section here, you can see that we have selected red within our hue slider, but we can actually adapt that and change that depending on where the colors fall within the hue, because obviously hue is made out of 360 colors, so you can select the exact hue or the color that you want to change, which is really handy, especially if you've got a lot of other colors in the photo and you don't necessarily want to affect or change them. You can target the exact color of your choice. So if you ever need to move or change this, just make sure to change this bottom section here, and you can move it, for instance, left or right, and you can see we've got our degree points changing here, which is the exact color. But I'm going to go ahead and just select red in this particular case because I know the color is red in this case. So what we're going to do now is, now we've selected it and targeted it, we can now change the color. And we can change three aspects because color is made of three different types. You've got hue, which is the type of color. You've got saturation, which is the intensity of the color. And then you've got lightness or luminance, and that is the brightness or darkness of the color. So let me show you in practice. So if we go ahead and move the hue, let's move it left. As you can see, we're now changing it to more of a purple color. And then we can see we're changing it to blue, and then we're changing it to a lighter blue. And if we go ahead and move it the other way, we've got orange, we've got yellow, and then we've got green. But the saturation and lightness is not changing. So let's go ahead and just change that back to 0 again. There we go. Now let's say we want to increase the saturation, but we don't want to change the hue. We've got our second slider here, which is our saturation. So we can increase the saturation, which makes it a lot brighter, or we can decrease the saturation, and we can actually make the car almost completely gray. And that's really cool. So you can actually change all of the color depending on the saturation. So we can make it darker gray, or we can make it a very vivid color. And again, that's just changing the saturation. But again, we're not changing the hue and we're not changing the lightness. And then if we change the lightness here, it will just target the lightness of the color. So we can make the color brighter, so it's almost this pinkish color, or we can make it very dark. Now what's great is you can change them all in combination. So you could go for instance, a dark burgundy color. So what we can do is increase the saturation and ever so slightly increase the lightness. And as you can see, we've got a dark burgundy color. But let's say we want a dark green, let's say. So all we need to do now is, for instance, keep the saturation where it is, keep the lightness where it is, but we just need to simply change the hue. So if we go ahead, we can change it to a very, very nice dark looking green. So as you can see, we can absolutely change every single color and target them exactly how we want it. And it is really, really handy. So let's just go over it again just before I finish this tutorial. We've got the hue, which will change the hue of the car. Then we've got the saturation, which will change the intensity of that car. And then we've got the lightness that will change the brightness of the car. So we go ahead, select red. For instance, we can make it white. We could make it a black car. We could make it, for instance, a grey car. We can make it a dark grey car. Or what we can do is we can actually increase the saturation, increase the lightness, and we can change it to pretty much any color of our choice. And there we go, guys. So that is how you can change the color of a car using the hue and saturation adjustment layer. Brilliant, and there we go, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're more interested in learning about Photoshop, Lightroom, and everything photography related, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my latest content. Now, I've got my latest Photoshop tutorial just available up here and my latest lens review just available down here. But until next time, guys, keep creating.